So, this is going to be my first woodworking video, and right now I don't know if I'm doing that much woodworking. I'm more just setting up my equipment and figuring out how to use the equipment, but I wanted to start videotaping this because maybe it'll motivate me a little bit more to actually get down to my basement and figure out how to do this stuff, because it's kind of annoying to just come down and mess around with stuff and try to figure out how to do it. But also, I'm hoping if I upload videos, someone can tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I put these together with a little pocket hole jig, so that's exciting. I figured out how to do one thing so far. Usually I get through trying to do something and then I find out that I'm missing a drill bit that I need, or screws, or a whole piece of equipment. So yeah, today I'm going to set up my miter saw. It's already kind of set up. It's already bolted into my table here. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And then if I have any questions at the end, I'm going to probably put those in the description. So if someone just wants to help me out and tell me what's going on, you can just read the description with my questions and then just answer them in the comments. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, I'll probably cut out a lot of the video because otherwise you'll just be watching me read silently, and I might also try staining a piece of wood because I got, hold on. Oh no. Alright, ignore that. I got a pre-stain wood conditioner, which I've never tried before. And then I have the actual wood stain. Yeah, this is a different wood stain. That's not what I wanted. But whatever, that's what I'm doing today, so I'll let you know, and hopefully I can figure out what this is supposed to do for my miter saw. I have no idea right now. Fence. I would assume, there we go. This is what these are table extensions, and I don't understand why you would need something like this. We'll find out, I hope, or you'll tell me. Remove the screw from the underside of the base. Oh. Interesting. I don't need a table extension. Do I need a table extension? Remove the screw from the underside of the base. That would be hard because I've already bolted the base down to my workbench. Remove the screw from the underside of the base. Insert the ends of the extension into the holes in the sides of the base. Place screw and tighten to secure. Place the screw. Oh, there's a little hole in there. I don't know. Where is the table extension screw? Very interesting. my basement is noisy. Let's see, assembly. I'm almost done with the assembly. What's this supposed to be? I have to assume it's supposed to be all the way in right now. Yeah. Okay. So the handle, the lock handle is all the way in right now. It may be necessary to adjust the sliding miter friends. Slide the saw head to the rearward position, raise the saw arm to its full height, loosen the miter lock handle approximately 1/2 turn, and squeeze the detent release lever, which I think is the thing under it. Yes, I'm supposed to squeeze the lever underneath it. Half turn, squeeze the detention release lever, rotate the control arm until the pointer aligns with the desired angle on the miter scale. Am I supposed to keep squeezing this or what? Oh, that's how it works. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm learning. Now I have to redo it because I don't. I turned it half. Okay. So I can control that angle. Okay. I see why you need the extenders now, because the wood will lay on the extender. You can't see it because it's all black. But yeah, this is the lever here. I see where this is all coming together. Cool. I guess I'll try to cut something. Let's see. I don't want to cut any of those. I'll cut this thing. This thing's ugly. Oops, wrong there. Okay, isn't this supposed to be easy? Okay. I'm going to cut my first piece of wood with a miter saw, so that's exciting. It worked. Can you tell I'm terrified of this equipment? But it cut it. So I learned something new today. I finished setting up my miter saw. and I made my first cut, and then I think the next thing that I'm going to do is figure out how to actually get the laser part, because the LED is on and I bought it because it has the laser cut line, and I don't know how to turn that part on. I didn't see that anywhere in the directions. And I haven't rotated this yet, so I'm going to unplug anyway. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Cool. Interesting. Very interesting. That's not even long enough. This one. Okay. Cool. Well, this was very nerve-wracking, so I'm going to end it for the day. That was enough. That was enough for me.